So we currently have 12 classrooms at Deerfield. So this is one of our first grade classrooms here. They share a boys and girls bathroom in between these two rooms. Our focus program is one of our substantially separate special education programs. A couple of years ago, we also added this room here, which is used as our occupational therapist and physical therapist space, instructional space. We have students in the school that are not in the focus program, but that do receive occupational therapists or physical therapists services. We have our kindergarten classroom here. This is our only kindergarten classroom by kindergarten classroom standards, modern kindergarten classroom standards. It's relatively small. Typically, kindergarten classrooms are in the 1,100 to 1,300 square foot range. They also have a dedicated bathroom for our kindergartners right here in their classroom. So our art room is a little bit tricky. This used to be an old locker room. It's nice. It's a pretty tall room in terms of the ceilings, a lot of height, which is great for all of the art supplies. But it's tricky when you've got a whole class of students in here. We need these nice long tables so they can really create. But when you've got everybody in here sitting, it gets very crowded. So it's a small gymnasium. The majority of our music classes also occur here on days when we don't have PE classes. All of our all-school assemblies occur here. Any parent events that we have here, if we've got a guest performer, they perform here on this stage. It's not a very deep stage, but we can open up those panels, and that leads into our cafeteria. It's a very small cafeteria, but it's we do the best with our small population. It's not terrible. That's also where our instrumental music instruction takes place. Our 5th grade band instruction takes place in the cafeteria, and obviously our lunch periods as well. So right off the entry, school entry area, the main entry area, this is our learning center, which is one of our special education breakout spaces. It also shares a door with our faculty room, our staff room. So it's a little tricky with the entrance right there, staff room right here to make sure we're being cognizant of student confidentiality and privacy. If you walk through here, this is our school psychologist office, also an office that used to be a closet. It's got a small table here, usually can get 2, sometimes 3 students around there. If the speech and language pathologist room is open and she has a larger group to work with, the school psychologist will oftentimes go in there for a little bit more space. In our 5th grade classrooms, these two are actually some of our nicest classrooms in the building. And we can take a look in here in our school library, which had previously also been a classroom. Several years ago, the library was actually in the staff room space. Also, modern day school libraries are used as much for study sessions, breakout work sessions, research sessions, and also these makerspace sessions where students are doing engineering projects, building projects, really a lot of discovery and math and science.